Hey up everyone, today we have a special lock, Master Lock 1921, limited edition, anniversary, 100-year anniversary lock. It's a level 9 out of 10 rating, whatever the hell their rating means. So let's see, just have security, shall we? I'll prove it's open. Yeah, picky in. Oh, it's tight. It works. Right, now I do know it's got spools, 4 pin, 4 spools. So let's see, shall we? Let's just see. Right, already in false set. No, something. Trying to find the one that's hung up. It's there. I think that's it. There we go. Yeah. It's very tight, like. Can't open your bloody thing. Level 9 security rating? I think not. Thanks for watching. See you next time.